Donald Trump, love him or hate him, there are some undeniable strategies that you, the health and fitness coach, can learn to be able to take your coaching business to the next level. So thing number one with this that you can learn from Donald Trump and be able to take your business to the next level is continue to play offense, guys. Honestly, offense wins championships. If you look at even NBA history, NFL history, offense wins championships. It's the same thing in politics. It's the same thing in your business. It's probably the same thing in marriage. It's probably the same thing in your life. You have to continue to play offense and just literally put your best foot forward and keep your foot on the gas pedal, okay? We all know what happened with like the potential assassination. I'm not gonna go down and explain anything. I'm not gonna give you my political views, all that stuff. Okay, it happened. It is what it is. So what you can learn from that though is he got up. And do you think that he is going to slow down and play defense? Heck no. He's not gonna sit there and hide. He's not gonna be like, oh, this is gonna happen again. And like, you know, I'm not gonna go do any rallies or anything like that. No way. I mean, we're talking about Trump here, okay? So he's gonna continue to play offense because he is on a mission to serve the country. So how you can take this and apply this into your health and fitness coaching business is to continue to play offense, guys. Like it doesn't matter what is going to happen the rest of this year. You can't control anything, right? Yeah, we can go vote, we can stand up for things, we can, you know, be leaders in our communities, yeah, right? And we can do all that stuff. That's great. Those are controllables for that. But you, the health and fitness professional, you have to stay laser focused on what your mission is, what your goals are. Just stay focused, guys. Like don't let this veer you off. Don't go into fear mode. Don't go into hiding mode. Don't go into uncertainty mode. Don't go into doubt mode. Don't hold your guys' money. Like continue to play offense. Continue to invest in coaching, mentorship, invest in experiences for your guys' clients, invest in skill sets, tools, support, a team, the whole shebang, guys. Like literally play offense in your guys' business. And I promise, those that play offense the rest of this year, you either are gonna have your biggest year these next 6 months, or you will set yourself up very nicely to have a great year in 2025 going forward because you continue to play offense, and those health and fitness coaches that hide and you crawl up into a little ball and put their money in a piggy bank and say that, no, I'm done, I'm not gonna do anything because of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, they will lose, guys, they will lose. If you're a health and fitness coach, make sure to check out the link below because we have a brand new masterclass training on how to install a proven system to add 6 figures to your health and coaching business. In this training, we give you guys our 6-figure formula blueprint, which can help you guys add 6 figures to your guys' coaching business. We go into why your guys' online health coaching offers suck, and that's why people charge like $100 to $200 for their online programs, which is an absolute joke, and how to actually do the right things to actually scale and grow your guys' online health coaching business. So if you guys are interested in that free masterclass, just click the link below. Okay, let's talk about thing number 2, Trump number 2, whatever it is, okay? So in my opinion, people are buying Trump, right? They're not buying like all these other things that come with it. He's the person, he's the face, right? And it's because he stands for specific values, right? He actually has taken a stance on what he truly believes in is best for Americans. And he's not like on this side, that side. He's not like in the middle. Like he's like, no, man, I am sticking my flagpole on this side right here. I'm sticking to my values. I'm sticking to my principles. I'm sticking to what I think is right. I am sticking to what I think that is going to be the best for this country, what's going to propel the economy, what's going to be the best for the American citizen. That's how you have to be as a health and fitness coach. You cannot be 1 foot in. You cannot be afraid of talking about XYZ if you truly believe in something and those are your values, right? Because if you're that person that is like that right here, you will lose all day. Because watch when you see somebody that's a health and fitness coach that truly believes in their values, their mission, their core values, right? What it is they're trying to do. I promise you guys will be like this. You're gonna sink, you're like gonna shrink because you're gonna be like, holy shit, like I need to get on that level, right? So you have to do that because people are buying coaches, they're not buying coaching, okay? And thing number 3, or Trump number 3, the last one here, guys, that we can learn from Donald Trump to be able to apply to your guys' coaching business and really grow it, right? It's all these different things that I'm gonna kind of put together. I might be all over the place, okay? But it's really consistency, it's not giving up, it's doing the boring work, and it's constantly providing value. However, we can put those all together, guys. If you look at what Trump has done, like the past 4 years, when hasn't even been elected, he has still been in the game. So just because you don't have like a winning season, just because you didn't win the championship, just because he didn't win the presidential election in 2020, doesn't mean he just threw the towel in and said, screw America, screw all these American citizens. No, he stayed in the game because he knew that his time was gonna be again in 4 years. That's the type of mindset you guys have to have as a health coach and professional. You have to play the long game. And if you're truly in this for the long haul to really help people out, transform their lives, and build a business for the long haul for yourself, your family, your community, other people, then you're gonna do whatever you can to keep fighting and staying inside the game of business, okay? Keep adding to that goodwill bank of value on there, okay? Just keep putting the deposits of value to people, okay? I'm not saying give everything for free, right? But, give value, be there to help people, continue to market, continue to have your lead generation on top of everything. Because again, you will have buyers that will buy right on the spot. You'll have people that are gonna buy in 30 days, 90 days, 120 days. Then you're gonna have people that are gonna buy 1 or 2 years later, okay? So keep nurturing those pipelines, whether it's social media, it's email, it's SMS, it's your Facebook group, it's podcasts, it's your YouTube audience. Continue to add value because you will have your guys' buyers stand by you as long as you guys are adding value, as long as you guys are going back to point number 2, where you guys are staying true to who you guys are, standing by your guys' messaging, you guys will be in the game. So again, guys, if you're a health and fitness professional and you guys want more value, there's this great video right here that I recommend you watching, the 5 pricing mistakes. So health and fitness coaches, when they sit there and they price their online offers, they make these 5 mistakes. So don't make these 5 mistakes. So this way you guys can sell a high-end offer, you guys can make more money, you guys can transform more lives, and you guys can help people at a higher level.